So in this video, let's start exercise 24A. Clear? So 24A, question number 4, add. Add is what? First one, 29 degree, 16 minutes and 23 seconds. This you have to add with 8 degree, 27 minutes, 12 seconds. So when you will add, you will write like this as I have done. You can see on the screen. Then 3 and 2, 5. 2 plus 1, 3. 6 plus 7, 13. So 3. 2 and 1, 3 and 1, 4. 9 plus 8, 17. And 2 and 1, 3. So 37 degree, 43 minutes, 35 seconds is the answer. Now next, add 9 degree, 45 minutes, 56 seconds and 73 degree, 8 minutes, 15 seconds. So when you will add, you will get 82 degree, 53 minutes, 71 seconds. Now this 71 seconds is what? More than 60 seconds. Clear? So what we will do? We will subtract 60 from 71 and so we will get 11 seconds. Now after subtracting, 1 is left, means 1 after subtracting 60 from 71, we will add 1 minute to 53 because 1 minute is equal to what? 60 seconds. So we will add 1 minute with 53 and then we will get a 54 degree and 54 minutes and 82 degree. So the final answer will be 82 degree, 54 minutes and 11 seconds. Next, you have to add a 56 degree, 38 minutes and 27 degree, 42 minutes and 30 seconds. So you will write like this as I have done on this screen. You can see. Then after adding, you will get what? 83 degree, 80 minutes, 30 seconds. So 30 seconds will be as it is. But 80 minutes, we will subtract 60 minutes from 80 minutes. So we will get what? 20 minutes. And then 1 we will add with 83 degree. So when we will add 1, we will get what? 84. So the final answer will be 84 degree, 20 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay. Now next, add 47 degree and 61 degree, 17 minutes and 4 seconds. So you will write as I have written and then you will add, you will get the final answer 108 degree, 17 minutes, 4 seconds. Now question number 6. In the given figure, PQR is a straight line. If SQR is 75, find PQS. So we know that the angle of a straight line is what? 180 degree. So first you will write like this as I have written. So angle PQS plus SQR is equal to 180 and then PQS will be equal to 180 minus 75 and this is equal to 105. Next, PQS plus RQS is equal to 180 degree. So you will, PQR is what? PQR is a straight line. So you will write 110 plus angle RQS is equal to 180 and so RQS is equal to 180 minus 110 and this is equal to 70 degree. Now next, question number 7. The question is on the screen. So here AOC is what? Straight line. So angle AOB and BOC will be equal to what? 180 degree. And value of angle AOB is given. This is 50 degree. So 50 degree plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. So BOC will be equal to what? 180 minus 50 and this is equal to 130 degree. Next, AOE and EOD plus COD, this is equal to 180 degree. Again the same reason, AOC is a what? Straight line. Then the value of AOE is 90 degree, EOD you have to find out and then COD is 25 degree. So value of EOD will be equal to 180 minus 115 and this is equal to 65 degree. Now subpart 3, angle BOD is equal to what? BOC plus COD. BOC is 130 and COD is 25. So this is equal to 155. Clear? Now Next, reflex angle BOD. Reflex means what? You have to subtract that angle from 360 degree. So 360 minus 155, this is equal to 205. Why 155? Because the value of BOD is 155. Now next, subpart 5, reflex angle COE you have to find out. So since AOC is a straight line, then angle AOE is 90 degree. So COE will be equal to 180 minus 90 equal to 90 degree. And reflex means you have to subtract the given angle from 360. So 360 minus 90, 270 degree. Now next, question number 8. So in this subpart 1, you have to find out the value of B. So since the sum of all the angles around a point is 360 degree, same way as I have written, same way you have to write in the copy also. Clear? So angle A plus angle B will be equal to 360, and so angle B will be equal to 360 minus 130, and this is equal to 230 degree. Again subpart 2, angle A plus angle B is equal to 360. The reason you know, angle B is given 200 and you have to find out the value of angle A. So value of angle A will be equal to 360 minus 200, and this is equal to 160. Now subpart 3, A is equal to 5 by 3 right angle, find B. So A is equal to 5 by 3 right angle means what? 5 by 3 into 90 degree, and 3 3s are 9, then 0 0. So 150 degree. 30 into 5 is what? 150 degree. And again you know A plus B is 360 degree. Then 150 plus angle B is equal to 360. So angle B will be equal to 360 minus 150. This is equal to 210. Now next, question number 9. Subpart 1. Since ABC is a straight line, angle ABD plus CBD is equal to 180 degree. X plus Y. ABD is what? X, and what? CBD is Y. So X plus Y is equal to 180, and so Y is equal to 180 minus 53. This is equal to 127. Now subpart 2. Y is equal to 1 1 by 2 right angles. 1 1 by 2 right angles means what? 3 by 2 right angles. So 3 by 2 into 90 degree, and this is equal to 135 degree. So X is equal to 180 minus 135. This is equal to 45 degree. Now next, question number 10. The question is on the screen, you can see. Now next, the process. So let's do the process. Subpart 1. Since AOB is a straight line, therefore angle AOP plus BOP is equal to 180 degree. X plus 30 plus X minus 30 is equal to 180 degree. So 30 30 cancel, plus 30 minus 30 cancel. So what is left? 2x. 2x is equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 by 2, and this is equal to 90 degree. Then subpart 1, AOP. AOP is what? X plus 30. So 90 plus 30 equal to 120 degree. BOP is what? X minus 30. So x is 90 degree. 90 minus 30 equal to 60 degree. And subpart 3, so AOP is what? Obtuse angle, and angle BOP is acute angle. Obtuse means what? When the value of the angle is more than 90 degree, this is called the obtuse angle, and when the value of angle is less than 90 degree, that angle is called acute angle. Now next, question number 11. Subpart 1. Since PQR is a straight line, then angle PQA plus angle AQB plus angle BQR is equal to 180 degree. So x plus 20 plus 2x plus 10 plus x minus 10 is equal to 180 degree. You can see the value given in the figure only. So here plus 10 and minus 10 we can cancel. So when we will solve it, we will get 4x plus 20 equal to 180 degree. So 4x is equal to 180 minus 20 is equal to 160 degree. And so the x will be equal to 160 by 4 is equal to 40 degree. Now subpart 1, angle AQB you have to find out, and AQB is what? 2x plus 10, 2 into x value 40 degree plus 10, so 80 plus 10, 90 degree. Subpart 2, angle BQP. Angle BQP is equal to AQB plus x plus 20. So 90, value of AQB is what? 90 degree. So 90 plus 40 plus 20 is equal to 150 degree. Now subpart 3, angle AQR. AQR is equal to angle AQB plus BQR. And so AQB is what? 90 degree, and BQR is x minus 10. So 90 plus 40 minus 10 is equal to 90 plus 30 equal to 120 degree. Next, question number 13. So subpart 1. If angle AOB is 45 degree, BOC is 30 degree, AOD is 110, find COD and BOD. So COD will be equal to what? AOD minus AOB plus BOC, and the AOD is 110. AOB and BOC is what? 45 plus 30 degree. So 110 minus 75 degree equal to 35 degree. Now next, BOD. BOD is equal to BOC plus COD. So BOC is what? 30 degree, and COD is what? 35 degree. So this will be equal to 65 degree. Okay. Now subpart 2. If angle BOC equal to DOC equal to 34 degree and angle AOD is equal to 120 degree, find angle AOB and angle AOC. So AOB is equal to what? Angle AOD minus BOC plus COD. Clear? It is very clear from the figure also. And the value of AOD is what? 120 degree minus value of BOC and COD we will add. So 34, and they are equal. It is given in the question. So 34 plus 34, 68. So 120 minus 68, 52 degree. Next, AOC. AOC is equal to angle AOB plus angle BOC. And AOB is what? 52 degree. BOC is what? 34 degree. And this is equal to 86 degree. Now, subpart 3. If angle AOB equal to BOC equal to COD is equal to 38 degree, find reflex angle AOC and reflex angle AOD. So AOC will be equal to what? First we will find out AOC, then only we can find out the reflex AOC. Clear? So AOC is equal to AOB plus BOC, and AOB is 38 degree, BOC is also 38 degree. It is given in the question. So this will be equal to 76 degree. Now reflex AOC, again we will subtract 76 from which number? Yes, 360. Clear? So 360 minus 76, this is equal to 284. Now next, AOD. AOD you have to find out, and AOD is equal to what? AOB plus BOC plus COD, and AOB is 38, BOC is 38, and COD is also 38. It is given in the question only, and this when you will add you will get 114.